Click into the cell D8. Click on the E symbol, then sum, then enter. So I'm going to go to my home screen, click here, sum, then enter. Click into D11, type the following formula. And then click enter. Click into cell F14, click the E, then average, then enter. So I didn't want a sum there, it automatically gave me a sum. So I don't want that, I'm going to erase that. Come right out, come back in again, home. I'm going to get this ribbon to stay. Always show. There we go. So I'm going to go back to my E option and I need it to average now. And then press enter. Click on cell F17, type in the following formula.
Hello?
Click into cell F20. Click on the E, then count numbers. Okay, so you're going to go here, count numbers, press enter. So then you're going to go into here and type in the formula. And you're going to type C23 colon E23, close the parentheses, and then press enter.